This one was a fun project. At first, it started off as like a built-in bookshelf, but it felt like it needed a more open concept. So the customer and I started working on AI renderings to get an open concept and then start the build. Got out the Festool track saw and started working in the pieces, making custom handmade shiplap, which is just more professional and clean looking, cutting up all the parts and pieces with mortise and tenon joinery, using my Freud dado stack blades and putting all the doors together. Once we got some of the cabinetry built with the doors in place, we started working on the long countertop shelf with the Festool domino and getting it all joined and clamped up right. And then back to the shiplap, where the littlest details make such a big difference, doing the custom returns on the end of the wall instead of using a standard piece of molding. That was tedious, but it sure was worth it. Then we started getting the install, and it was time to build the floating shelves, which is super painful on the knees for an old guy. Picked the perfect color, I think, for this project, which was a kind of a gunstock, a little bit rustic looking, brownish tone. Then getting all the countertop, 13 feet of countertop, solid oak, joined together, putting all the parts and pieces together, and we finally got the wainscoting and shiplap all in place and painted white. And then it was ready for locating the shelves and getting the floating shelves put up in place and fitting in the 13-foot of countertop on a crooked wall, which fit in perfectly. We had to do a little custom fitting, but it worked out just right and ended up with a beautiful project for the homeowner and me just being happy to be here.